Welcome to the Logic Pro Auto Trader. Futures trading. Trade futures 24/7 without lifting a finger. The Logic Pro Auto Trader seamlessly connects with Kraken Futures and Binance Futures. Developed by Automated Trading, the Logic Pro combines smart risk management with real-time market analysis to execute trades with precision, ideal for both beginner and experienced traders in the fast-moving world of crypto futures. Let's talk about key features. So the Logic Pro monitors the market and executes trades based on pre-configured strategies. Therefore, there is no manual input required. And then 24/7 marketing and scanning and trading. Never miss a trade again. The Logic Pro Auto Trader scans the market continuously and trades around the clock, even while you sleep. And dynamic risk management. The Logic Pro Auto Trader is designed with smart, built-in management tools, including dollar cost averaging, take profit, trailing mechanisms, which help protect your capital and optimize potential returns during volatile market conditions. And our system uses a powerful combination of technical indicators and price action filters to identify high probability entry and exit points, enhancing trade precision and performance. And then additionally, the Logic Pro features automated leverage, margin control, and dynamic position sizing, which is adapting to market conditions in real time. And then security and control. You retain full control of your exchange account, and your API keys are fully encrypted and stored securely. And you can withdraw profits at any time, upholding the minimum trading amount of $2,000. And all Logic Pro strategies are rigorously back-tested and live-tested under varying market conditions to ensure reliability and robustness. Well, who is the Logic Pro for? Well, it's for day traders who are looking to automate and scale their strategies. It's for crypto future traders seeking consistent entries and exits, and passive investors who want to reduce screen time, and algo traders who want advanced features without coding. And you can get results that you can measure. You can track your bot's performance in real time with our Trader Dashboard analytics right on our website. With the Logic Pro, you're not just trading, you're upgrading to intelligent automation designed for real market conditions. So experience the power of the Logic Pro risk-free. With our 14-day free trial, you can test all premium features, including automated futures trading, built-in risk management, and real-time market execution at no risk. So start optimizing your crypto trades today at automatedtrading.io/pricing.